So you want to save each and every new WooCommerce order on a spreadsheet in Google Sheets? But how will you do it? That's where Automate.io comes in. It's a simple tool to connect your favorite web apps like WooCommerce, ActiveCampaign, and hundreds more. To begin, visit this webpage, click on our use case box, and click on the Try Now button. On the Add Account screen, you will add your WooCommerce and Google Sheets accounts to Automate.io. Authorize these apps by clicking on the Add button and entering your credentials. And remember, we always keep your data secure with bank-level encryption. After successfully authenticating your apps, you will land on the Configure page. On this page, you will configure the specific data that you would like to transfer from WooCommerce to Google Sheets. Let's first focus on WooCommerce, which is our trigger app. It tells us when we want our automation to start. And remember, you can change these triggers right here for different use cases depending on your scenario. Now coming to Google Sheets, which is our action app. This tells us what the end result of our automation should be. And for this automation to work, you will need to fill in the right value in the required input fields for Google Sheets. And these fields are Spreadsheet. Here you will select your spreadsheet from this drop-down menu. And Worksheet. Here you will select the specific worksheet within the spreadsheet that you selected above. And please note, the field names that appear below the worksheet are taken from the columns in the Google spreadsheet from our example spreadsheet. You will see different input fields based on your individual spreadsheet. They can be filled out by dragging and dropping relevant data from WooCommerce like this. And this data will help me gain valuable insights from my WooCommerce business orders. To proceed to the next stage, click Done. In this stage, we will test our newly created automation, which we will call a bot. We will now test our bot by creating a new WooCommerce order. So if you want to try out this automation quickly, click on the link in the description below. Questions? We're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly on help@automate.io. And don't forget to subscribe to us for more useful videos. Happy automating!